Hello student, now we are going to learn how can a audio file or a video file be inserted in your HTML document. So let us see. So I have opened this notepad. Right now I have named this notepad as audio video.html. so now let us start the code. So start with HTML or root tag, HTML closing tag. So we will have the head, 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 opening, and head closing. We will also have the body opening tag, body closing tag. Inside the head we will keep the title, TITLE, title opening, TITLE, title closing. The name of the title will be let us see, AUDIO, audio, and VIDEO, video. This will be written in the title, right? So let us see how it appears. So this is the file we have created, audio video.html. Let me open the file in browser mode. So you can see nothing is there in the body section. So we just have the head section. Inside the head we have a title, audio and video, so that we have created over here, the title. Now inside the body, okay, inside the body first we are going to add the audio file. After that we will add the video file. Let's see. So see how to add audio. To add audio you just have to use the audio tag, AUDIO, very simply looking audio tag, AUDIO, right? So this is the audio tag. And here another thing is that source, SOURCE. What is source? So source, that is from where a audio file will be located by the audio tag, right? So this is the audio tag, audio opening tag and audio close tag, right? Audio opening and audio closing. Now we need to have a audio file. Can you see here inside my HTML class folder I have a audio file. The name of the audio file is audio.mp3, and the video file, that is video.mp4. These two files, audio and video, I have here. And this is the file where I am writing the code, audio video HTML. This is the file, right? So now this source will find the audio file, right? So this source tag will find the audio tag through src. So this src will find the audio, AUDIO, audio dot mp3, right? See, audio, AUDIO, audio dot mp3. So the source tag has an attribute, that is search. This search option will find this file, right, from the folder, from this folder, right? Now which type of file is this? TYPE. Which type of file is this? This is audio file, right? AUDIO. This is audio file. Certainly this is audio file. And also we need to write the extension MP3. That means this is the extension MP3. This is MP3 mode audio file. So this thing you have to write. This is MP3 mode audio file. So this is the file type. This is also an attribute you need to mention. These two attributes inside the source tag. This source tag does not have a closing one. This is only opening tag. It does not have the closing one. So this source tag will find this file, that is audio.mp3, through the search attribute. And also we need to specify that this is which type of file. This is mp3 file. This is the audio file, but that is mp3 mode of audio file. So that should be mentioned inside the type. This is file type. So inside the audio tag we are having the source tag. So this is how you have to write. This is the format of having audio file inside your web page. document, right? So let me save it, and let me add one thing we have to add, that is control here. Okay, if I go and check now, this is the file. If we go and refresh, we can't see anything right now, because one thing we have not mentioned, that is control, CONTROLS, right? So this is the attribute. You can see opening audio tag, closing audio tag, and in the opening audio tag you have to add this attribute, that is controls. So unless you add this control attribute, we can't see anything right here. Can you see? This is the control attribute. This is called control. Can you see? Play, then time, the audio file which I have added over here, this is a 3-minute 3-second audio file that I have inserted in my HTML document. So this is the control bar. This whole bar is known as control bar. So unless I have the control bar, I can't see anything. So this is only the control bar which we can see in the browser. If we delete the control bar, there is no such thing that we can see here. Only we can see the control bar. So only we can see the control bar. So to add the control bar, you need to write just controls. So once you add this, we can see the control bar will appear. Once the control bar will appear, we can do one thing. We can play the music. So we can control, right? We can pause the music by using the control bar. This is the control bar we have added over here, right? So we have done with the audio, right? Now let us see how we can add the video. So just below the audio, let us add the video. VIDEO, video opening tag. VIDEO, video closing tag. So as similarly we have done with the audio, we also have to write same thing over here. So that is the source, SOURCE, source. Source tag will have the attribute, two attribute, SRC. This SRC attribute will find the video file. Another attribute is TYPE, which type of video file we are going to have in our document. See, this is the video opening tag, video closing tag, and inside the video opening and closing tag we should have the source tag, and this source tag will find the video. You can see this video, it is kept over here. So let me write over here VIDEO, 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 video dot mp4. So you can see this is the file name, video.mp4. So I have written over here video.mp4. So which type of file I have added over here? That is certainly video file, VIDEO. Certainly this is a video file. And what is the mode? That is the extension right here, that is mp4. So right, we have done it. Let me save the file, file save. So if we go over here and check how it appears, we can see this is a video file. But if I click over here, nothing will happen. Can you see one thing? Nothing is happened. Why? Because I have not added the control bar. Unless I add the control bar, I can't do anything to it. So we have to add the control bar. So just go in the opening tag of the video and add the control bar, CONTROLS. So now we have added the control bar. So after we have added the control bar, you can see the control bar appear. Now we can play it, right? So we can control the video. So I hope you have understood how to insert audio file and the video file in a web page. So let me show you another thing, that if I have a folder, let me name it as MEDIA. So I have created a folder MEDIA, media. Now I will do one thing, I will keep this audio file and the video file inside this newly created folder. The name of the folder is media. Okay, so previously my both audio and the video file was kept here, right, inside the HTML class folder. But now I have created a subfolder, that is media, and I kept those two audio and video files inside the media folder. Now after I did this thing, so I'll I will just go and check it from here. So see, now you can see I can't access the audio file, also I can't access the video file. You can see only we can access the control. So whatever we are accessing over here is nothing but the control. At the left side we have the control that is of audio tag, and this control where I am hovering my mouse to, this control is of the video tag, but I can't access the file that should be played over here. That file I can't access. Why? Because I have changed the location. Previously both the audio and video file was kept here, but now I have created a new folder named media. I have shifted both the files inside this media folder. So now from here I am writing the code here inside the audio video HTML, right? You can see audio video HTML. So from here first I have to access this media folder. So after accessing the media folder, we only can access these two audio and video files. So here I have to mention inside the src how the src will find this audio.mp3 file. Only inside the media folder. So we have to add this media folder slash, here also you have to add media slash, right? So now this src will find the source location from the media folder. First it will open the media folder, and inside the media folder you can access the video file as well as the audio file. Let me save the file and see over here. Can you see, right? We can now access the audio and also we can access the video, right? Both we can access. Now if you want, you can also increase or decrease the size of the file. So let me apply on the certain width for the video file. So here I will write width width equal to 600px. So I have applied the width of 600px for the video file, right? Observe. So let me see. Can you see the width of the video has been shortened, right? Because I have applied 600px. That will be the width for this video file, right? So fine. Now I will show you how can you add the iframe. So iframe is a different thing. You get use the iframe, and inside iframe you can add many things. So let me show you. So let me close the file. So to show you iframe, I will create a new file. So let me write NOTE, notepad. So a new notepad I have taken. First I will do one thing. I will save this file, okay, in the desktop. Inside the HTML class folder, I will make it to all file, and here I will write iframe iframe.html, right? Now desktop, let me save the file. Okay, fine. Now let me start writing HTML. This is the root tag, HTML root tag, right? Now inside it I will have the head, HEAD, head tag, HEAD, head opening and closing tag. Now under the head, BODY, body opening, and BODY, body closing. So under the head we are going to have a title, TITLE, title opening, TITLE, title closing, and inside the title let us write here HTML iframe, right? Iframe. So let me save the file. So what we have done over here, this is the root tag, HTML opening and closing. This is the head portion. Inside the head portion we have the title, and this is the body portion. So now let us see this file we have created, iframe.html. See, now you can see this is the title, HTML iframe, which we have just now mentioned over here. So inside the body we will have the iframe. Let us start. So iframe, iframe opening tag, and iframe, iframe closing tag, iframe opening tag and iframe closing tag. So why do we use iframe? We can use iframe in our HTML document for embedding a separate content that is placed separately in separate place. So by using the iframe, you can add a separate content. It could be a separate website, it could be a separate video, it could be a separate picture. So that will be marked not as the part of this document, that will be marked as a separate identity that is placed and that is embedded within the iframe. So let me show you. Unless I show you, you will be not able to understand. So see, iframe opening tag and iframe closing tag. Now here I will write src. So see what I want to do now. I want to embed a different website. So let me open a website. See, yeah. So you can see this website. So I'll copy the link from here. Okay, now see, I want to show that website here in my website. I want to show that particular website inside my website, right? But that I can only do by using the iframe. So here I will just paste the link. So you can see what I have done. Iframe opening tag, iframe closing tag, and inside the iframe opening tag I have the src. The src will access this location of external website, and that website will be shown in my document, the document which we have just now created. Let me save the file. Right now I will access this file through this document. Can you see this document, HTML iframe? So let me refresh. So can you see that external website I can access through my iframe, and that iframe I can use in my document. So if required, you can also increase the width. So I will increase the width, width equal to, let's say I will make it to 480. Okay, and let's see how it appears now after increasing the width. So width has been increased to 480. I will also increase the height. See, I will increase the height to, see, height, let the height be 800 px, right? Need not require to give px, it will automatically take px. Now see, so iframe opening and closing tag, and inside the opening tag I have mentioned with height attribute plus the location. So src location. So src will access this external document, and that document will be shown in my page, right? So this is the external website which will be shown in my website, right, inside the iframe as an embedded file. So it will act as a embedded file, right? Let me save the file and let me check out over here. Can you see? So I have increased the height. And now I can access the page, right? Now if I do one thing, I hope you have understood how to use the iframe. Very interesting thing. Using iframe, you can add any external website, external content inside your document. You just have to embed that document inside your web page, right? Very interesting thing you can use. So now if I want to add something else, let's say I will take another iframe, right? So just observe, inside this iframe I will take another iframe, iframe, right? iframe. So now iframe in frame. So inside this iframe I will add a video. That can also be done using the video tag that we have learned just before introducing to the iframe chapter. So we can add video in our file we can also add the video using the iframe tag, right? So let me show you. So just write src equal to give the location where is our video inside the media file. So write here media media. Inside the media file the name of the video is video video.mp4, right? Video.mp4. iframe opening tag, iframe closing tag. So in the second iframe we are going to add the video file, right? So using the video tag we can have the video in our document. Using the iframe also you can add video, right? Let me save the file. Let me watch out. So see, you can see we can play the video over here, right? So we have added the video using the iframe. So we can also increase the width of the video file. So now let me show you another thing. Using the iframe, now we are going to add YouTube video, right? What is the difference between adding video using the video tag and adding video using the iframe tag? Before I show you how to add YouTube video, let me explain you this thing, that you can also add a video in your document as I have done over here using the video tag that I have shown you in the earlier lecture. But here, by adding the video using the iframe tag, this video will be not accepted as a document for this website. This video which we have added over here will be marked as an external entity, as an external document that has been embedded to this page, right? So this is the basic difference. If you use the video tag to add video in your document, that video will be marked as object within this document. But in this case, by using iframe where we have added the video, this particular video is not being marked as a document for this page. That video has been marked as a document which is not regard of this page, right? So that is the basic difference. Now I will do one thing. I will add iframe, iframe, iframe opening tag, iframe, iframe closing tag, right? And now src. So I will add a YouTube video, right? How to add a YouTube video? So let me first find a YouTube video. Let's say let me find a YouTube video. Any video you can find. Let me find a cartoon video. Okay. So the thing you have to do, you have to copy this thing. So please remember the thing you have to copy from here, this thing. So from the address bar, after equal to, this is called the ID. This is the unique ID for this video. So just you have to copy this unique ID, right? And now what you need to do, so here is the opening iframe tag, closing iframe tag, and inside the src just write https, right? And after that follow the step what I am doing. Remove this, okay, embed. So just write embed, right? Embed. So this is the video ID. Let me save the file, and if I go and check over here, so you can see we have added the YouTube video successfully, right? So this is the video, this is the video which is available at the YouTube. So any video which is available in YouTube or anywhere else, you can play it inside your web page by using the iframe. You can also increase the height. Let me increase the height. If I go and increase the height, it will be better. So let me increase the height for both of these, so I'll make it this much height for both the videos, right? So let me see now. File, save. So go and watch over here. You can see this is the video which was available on YouTube. Now that YouTube video will be played in my page, right? See.
Scream cone fell all over her and ruined her outfit right before the land of play
that I have done by using the iframe tag. So what I have mentioned over here, see, https://www.youtube.com/embed. This much is fixed, so this much should be constant for all videos, and after that this is the unique ID. So this will be changing for another video, ID will be changed. So let me find another video. Tom and Jerry. So let me find a video of Tom and Jerry. Let's say this video. I will copy this. See, just after equal to this thing I will copy, right? After equal to, this is the unique code, and that code I will just replaced with the earlier one. So if I do this, you can see the code has been changed, but this thing will be constant. This have not changed. I have not changed this thing. This will be same. So https://www.youtube.com/embedded. So you are embedding a external document inside your page, so that is why this thing will be kept constant, and after that this unique video ID will be changed. So this is the unique video ID. All the videos those are listed in the YouTube channel has unique video ID. So that unique video ID you have to place over here, right? Now go and see that cartoon will play. So here you can see, so that cartoon will play your document, right? So I hope you have understood how to use this iframe. So thank you for being patient and watching till the end, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please click the like button and share this video to your friends so that everybody can be benefited. And in the next class I will show you how you can create HTML form. So in the next class I will start with the HTML form. Thank you.